Are you happy? At least kinda happy sometimes? I hope so. For some people, being around friends and family makes them happy. And for other people, being all alone makes them happy. We're all happy sometimes, even if it's just for a couple of minutes a day. Well, the people in the cities we're gonna visit are happier a lot more than that. At least, statistically. How do we measure such assumptions? Well, we didn't ask the people in these places, because that would cost a lot of money. Instead, we measured things that make people happy. A population's emotional happiness includes things like health, income, and safety. It also includes great communities. Because you can't be really happy when you live in an unhappy place, can you? So put a smile on as we run and skip and jump all around through our overly happiest cities in America. 'Cause I don't care when I'm in my city, yeah. All the bad things disappear. And it's making me feel like maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm in my city, yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. One of the criteria of our study is exercise, as studies have shown that people who exercise more are happier. So we're gonna walk to our cities today. The first place we had to walk to almost wore us out. It's Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Why are they so happy there? Well, their incomes are above average for their local economy, and Sioux City residents have a slightly average sense of community. It's their emotional and physical well-being where things look the best. That measures things like how healthy and active people are, and even their sleep patterns. Sioux Falls residents get the third most sleep of any other community in the USA. Plus, the city of Sioux Falls has made a concerted effort to give attentions to their residents' access to care, so they can be as healthy as possible. If you live in Sioux Falls and you're actually awake right now, congrats. We're gonna walk on down to our next happiest place and see what they're up to in Scottsdale, Arizona, our 9th happiest city. Or as locals call it, SCOTTSDALE. Are wealthy, snotty people happy? Maybe. After all, Scottsdale has the 2nd highest community rank in the nation, and they're probably pretty smug about that. After all, strong social connections are key to feeling complete and happy. Scottsdale has great schools, has high earners, and it's a great place to raise kids.
And a great place to raise dogs.
Oh, hey, Mappy. How's the new puppy? Did you name him yet?
No, let's let our viewers decide what his name is.
All right. Well, please leave your pick for Mappy's new dog's name in the comments below. Glad you like him. Hopefully he makes you happy. Does he fetch? No? Come on. No? All right.
Not yet. I'm teaching him.
Okay, Mappy. Well, you keep working on that. Happy Mappy indeed. Walking in the snow can be sort of fun at times, especially on a bright sunny day. But this is not that day. We're in Naperville, Illinois, a Chicago suburb. Naperville residents rank really high for health factors, for economic security, and for safety. That's enough to make society smile, right? Plus, if Whole Foods makes you feel complete, you're in luck, Naperville peeps. That's because nearby are the most Whole Foods markets in the nation. Actually, shopping at Whole Foods is becoming kind of depressing. In case you didn't hear, Instacart shoppers, you know, the people who go to the store and pick up your groceries for you, are creating such a traffic jam in Whole Foods markets now that apparently it's too hard to get around anymore.
Did you know Illinois couldn't pay lottery winners for a long time?
What? Oh wow, Mappy, you're right. Apparently the state of Illinois was so broke for a while that when people won the lottery, instead of getting a big fancy check, they were getting IOUs. Well, that's enough to make you ill-annoyed. Sunday, Monday, happy days. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Thursday, Friday, happy days. Saturday, what a day. We're happier than you. We don't have to walk too far to get to our next city, Overland Park, Kansas. This is a nice peace and quiet kind of place, which ranks really high in emotional well-being and sense of community. And folks here also have the 5th lowest divorce rates. What's really interesting is that this sleepy Kansas City suburb is literally sleepy, as it ranks as the city with the most amount of sleep every day. Does sleeping make you happy? Apparently, yes. Incidentally, Detroit ranks as the city with the least amount of sleep. They do seem pretty agitated there, I have to say. Maybe it's the lack of sleep. A hop, skip, and a jump in about 195 hours of walking away is our next happiest city, Fargo, North Dakota. Why is Fargo so happy? It scored really high on everything we measured, that's why. Let's see. They have Happy Harry's Bottle Shops and Happy Joe's Pizza. Ooh, let's call them and find out why people in Fargo are so happy.
On 45th, this is how can I help you?
Hey, my name is Nick and I'm doing a YouTube video on the happiest cities, and Fargo is one of the happiest cities in the country. I'm wondering why.
Why? Cheap living.
That's it?
I don't know.
I mean,
Fun place to be.
it's a fun place to be, Fargo?
Yep.
Well, does everybody have a smile on their face all the time?
They try to.
Yeah? Are people nice to each other? Is that why everyone's so happy?
Yeah, generally I would say people are. I'm at work right now, so I gotta...
Well, that's
Is there
cool.
anything else you need?
Well, you sound kind of happy, but you sound complacent. That's the word I'd use for you.
Right now, yeah, I'm trying to get some stuff done, but... Yeah, I guess.
All right, so everybody in Fargo are they all like you? Are they happier than you?
I guess I don't have an answer for you.
All right, man. Well, I appreciate your time. We'll put this in the happy column and call it a win. How's that?
Sounds good, thank you.
All right, have a good one. Huh. Interesting. This is going to be a long walk, and we're getting less happy by the step. Our next happy place is Huntington Beach, California. Of course they're happy. They live in a charming, really crowded and overpriced beach community in Orange County. People here are all healthy and tan and drive their nice cars and lay out in the sun. Sounds like fun, right? And California has the 4th lowest suicide rate in the nation too. This map shows that a majority of the suicides are all in one part of the country. Interesting. I mean, sad, but interesting. People in California don't off themselves, they just leave. There are many, many, many reasons why, but cost of living and large crowds are a big part of it. We're not leaving California yet, as we walk up to the Bay Area to visit Fremont, California, a San Francisco suburb. Fremont ranks as the best in the US for community and environment, which takes into account safety, things to do, and decent weather. Another reason Fremont's happy is that it has the nation's 5th highest income growth. This is a big tech community full of successful up-and-coming entrepreneurs, venture capitalists, and other businessmen. Yeah, they make a lot of money, but it costs a lot to live here too. Like, basic jobs pay $100K a year, and if you make anything less than $80K here, you will be poor and live in a bedroom above a Chinese restaurant and a poopy sidewalk.
Did you know Hispanics are almost the happiest race of all?
I don't think I knew that, Mrs. Mappy. It's interesting that you bring that up. Is that why Juan has that big grin on his face right now?
He's very happy. We're very happy. As friends. Yeah, friends.
Yeah. Friends. Friends. Those two are more than friends, I'll tell you that. Here in Madison, Wisconsin, they have the highest emotional and physical well-being of any other city on this list. And it's been proven that a positive mental state is one key to happiness. They drink a lot here, though, as Madison ranks very high on alcohol intake. Does drinking make you happy? Apparently so, up to a certain point, I guess. Madison also ranks 19th lowest in terms of working hours each week, but that's possibly skewed by the large population of college kids who live here. Back to California we go one more time as we stroll through our happiness runner-up, Irvine, California, another city in the OC. Here in Irvine, residents have the 2nd lowest divorce rates and the 2nd highest sports participation rate in the nation. Sure, playing sports and being active makes you happy. Although, while the kids look to be having fun, some parents make sports very stressful and not fun. Maybe the parents need to get some water wiggles.
Crazy water wiggle, you can't tell what he'll do. You think you're chasing him, and boo, he's chasing you. What you doing, you're a giggle. Water wiggle!
That looks like so much fun, doesn't it? Who wouldn't be happy playing with a water wiggle? They need to bring those back. Okay, so who is our happiest city in all the land? That would be the Dallas suburb of Plano, Texas. Many of the North Dallas suburbs like Frisco, McKinney, Allen, and Plano are always up there in terms of happiness factors. In Plano proper, divorce rates are some of the lowest in the nation, and folks have great jobs and a safe community. It all comes at a price though. Folks in Plano work some of the longest hours of any other city. As a result, Plano residents have by far the highest incomes in the US for all other cities on this list. Work hard, play hard, right? Does money buy you happiness? Some say yes, some say no, but it's a fact that money does buy fun experiences, which make you happy, right? Mostly, though sometimes mo money means mo problems. Okay, so there you have it, the happiest cities in America. If you live in one of these places, you're probably smiling right now. In case you're sadly wondering which cities are the saddest, here they are in a particular order. So we all saw how happy Mappy was with his new dog, and you can be that happy too if you adopt an animal from a shelter. Think about saving an animal's life by taking one home from a local adoption agency. It will certainly bring smiles to your household. The end. Hey guys, if you learned something new or you just like this video, make sure to like it. And if you really like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you get all of our videos about what it's like to live in different places in America. Peace.